Hello guys, blessings. It is High Priestess Jamila, and I wanted to come and show you guys something. It is potion time. So I've got a couple of potions that you guys might be interested in. Do a little bit of ASMR. So I'm going to show you guys something real quick. Let me just kind of get comfortable. So these are two potions that I'm going to show you guys. And I know I look very tired because I am very sleepy. But I'm not ready to go to sleep. And it's 2 o'clock in the morning. Okay? These are two potions that you guys may want to purchase from me. Okay? This one is the healing potion. Okay? But this one is the reclaim your key, your energy. Okay? And so if you get this, you probably, unless you purchase like the entire thing and it's specifically this potion, then you'll get this much. Otherwise, you'll get like a small container. That will be plenty. But if you want to go full spectrum. So this right here is amazing, and it's very easy to do. You can either use a cotton ball or you can use a just the top. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So you got your potion and you realize that something's going down, maybe some kind of spiritual attack, energy harvesting, all that BS, blue, 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 blue. So you take this, and the way I like to do it, and it smells amazing because I put a little bit of, I put some stuff into it to preserve it. So I have like a little dot. And so you want to really honestly call to the spirits or either the planets or the energies. You can call to earth, air, fire, water. But I like to call to the different planets. You know what I'm saying? You can call, and so what you do is you take it on your finger. You get some on your finger, and you want to go right at the top of the head. Call to the moon to take back all powers of my crown and Sahasrara. And then I just take that potion, and for the crown, I'm going to go down the neck and the ears. The ears, okay? Okay, I got a little bit left on my hand. So I'm going to call to the sun, wherever it's risen, because it's dark over here, to take back all of the power of my ajna. You can also ask for them to heal, balance, open, recharge, and protect. Just put that all. Okay. Now we're going to call us. My hands are still a little wet. We're going to call to Saturn to heal, to reclaim our power of our Vishuddhi, to heal, balance, open, and recharge, and protect our Vishuddhis. Okay. And then we're going to take some more. Okay, this is water-based, and I do have oil-based potions. Take back, I call it Venus, to take back and reclaim all of my energy of my Anahata, everything that comes with it too, and protect. Okay, and we're going to take it, and I'm going to kind of go under my shirt a little bit. Okay, for the Mani Puri, to take back and reclaim all of the power, personal power of my Mani Puri. I call to Jupiter to recharge, take back my power, and just rub it on the stomach area, okay? And then the next one, obviously, is the Swadasana, and I can't really show you that 1 second. So obviously for the Swadhisthana, I had to excuse myself and go to the bathroom. And so for the Swadhisthana, you want to ask for Mercury to recharge or reclaim the power of your Swadhisthana. And then your Muladhara, which is the root chakra, is located at the base of the spine. So you'll rub some in that area, and you'll ask for Mars to recharge your root chakra, okay? And heal, balance, open, and recharge, okay? Now, this is the healing potion. And I was feeling a lot of tension around the crown chakra today for some reason. And so what you can do with this is you can just take it and dab it, okay? And wherever you feel that you need to, wherever you feel that you need to. It can be your forehead, it can be your temples. Okay, don't forget about your temples. Your temples, everybody's always focused on the third eye. Temples are important too, okay? And then just dab it, okay, for healing. And if you feel like you need healing in this area, you can. This actually, the Reclaim potion actually includes healing as well. Now, there's one other potion that I have that is a cord cutting potion. And you can actually use that to anoint the body as well. To cut the cord to any unwanted energies. And it's way across the room. And so I have that too. For you to anoint yourself. And you can also anoint your family. You can actually use these potions by just pouring them onto the ground as well. But if somebody may need some kind of healing treatment because somebody is trying to either spiritually attack or either feed off of you or your loved one, you can take it and you can do the same thing, and it will return your power and your energy and your ki, okay? And then you just kind of relax, you know what I'm saying? You kind of relax, maybe drink some water. Very important to drink water, okay? These potions are not drinkable, but you can drink teas that are connected to this. I actually have some chakra, some things specific for each chakra. This one's good though right here, but my batch that I'm going to make for you guys will obviously have my new herbs like the shatavari, the gotu kola, ylang, okay? So anyway, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you guys want a potion, contact me. Okay, you can visit divineservicesapothecary.com. It's going to take you my link tree, or you can text me. You can Cashapp me to set up an appointment. Yes, you do have to get a consultation to purchase a potion. Okay, unless you just go to the website or you just say, Jamila, hey, can you send me a sample? And I already know you, and but before I do anything for anybody, I got to talk to you. Okay. So, and my readings do cost. They are on sale for the holidays, okay? Anyway, what did I do to my hair? Okay. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Blessings. Bye.